So the next chapter is solution. Next chapter of physical chemistry is solution. So in this first we'll see terms related with solution. So whenever we say solution is consist of two parts basically, that is solute plus solvent. Solution contains two parts. One part is solute and another part is solvent. This is solute is present in less amount and solvent is present in higher amount. High amount. And both makes homogeneous mixture. When we mix together, they form homogeneous mixture. So what is homogeneous mixture? If there is uniform distribution of solute inside the solvent, then it is called homogeneous mixture. That is uniform distribution of solute in solvent. In solvent is known as homogeneous mixture. When there is uniform distribution of solute in solvent, then this is called homogeneous mixture. So solution forms by mixing solute in solvent. Solute should be in less amount while solvent should be in high amount, and it forms a homogeneous mixture. That is, what is homogeneous mixture? Uniform distribution of solute in solvent. So how we represent the strength of any solution, that we are going to see the strength of solution. किसी सॉल्यूशन के स्ट्रेंथ को कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं उसे हम देखेंगे. स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. Strength of solution. So first is percent by mass. Percent by mass. As mass percentage, it is expressed as percent mass by mass. So percent by mass means amount of solute in gram. We can express percent by mass कि 100 gram, if we take 100 gram solvent, if we take 100 gram solution, then in that 100 gram solution, how many gram solute is present? That is called percentage by mass. That is amount of solute in gram, amount of solute in gram present in 1 liter, amount of solute in gram present in 100 gram solution is known as percent by mass और परसेंट W बाई W. यानी अगर हम 100 ग्राम सॉल्यूशन लें तो उसके अंदर कितने ग्राम सॉल्यूट के डिज़ोल्व हैं, that is percent by mass, percent weight by weight. This is mass by mass. So to apply the formula, we will use percent mass by mass will be amount of solute divided by mass of solution, amount of solute in gram, divided by mass of solution, and then multiplied by 100. This also in gram. Is basically we have to take here amount of solute in gram as well as mass of solution in gram. Here unit is not going to affect because you can see here unit will cancel out. Whatever unit you will take, that unit will cancel out. So percentage mass by mass is amount of solute in gram divided by mass of solution in gram. We can write it in formula form, that is percent W by W will be equal to W solute divided by mass of solute divided by mass of solution, and then multiplied by 100. One question, example. $40 gram NaOH is dissolved in 60 gram water. Calculate percent mass by mass of NaOH or of solution. So we can use this formula here. If you use this formula, then percentage mass by mass will be equal to mass of solute. Here solute is what? NaOH, because this NaOH is present in less amount, and solvent is water, is present in more amount. So 40 gram divided by mass of solution. When we'll dissolve 40 gram NaOH in 60 gram water, then total mass of solution will become 60 gram water plus 40 gram NaOH, and this will be equal to 40 gram divided by 40 plus 60, 100 gram. It must be multiplied by 100 and then multiplied by 100. So yeah, 100 will cancel out, and so percentage weight by weight will be 40%. So when we'll dissolve 40 gram NaOH in 60 gram water, then we'll have a solution with percentage mass by mass 40%. One more question. Calculate percent mass by mass when 50 gram glucose, 50 gram sugar, suppose sugar not glucose, 50 gram sugar is dissolved in 150 gram water. To solve this question, first we have to calculate mass of solution. Mass of solution will be equal to mass of solute plus mass of solvent. Mass of solute plus mass of solvent, and we have mass of solute 50 gram and mass of solvent is 150 gram. So total mass will become 200 gram. So percentage mass by mass will be equal to amount of solute, that is 50 gram, divided by total mass of solution 200 gram, and then multiply it by 100. You cancel out, this will be 2 and here it will be 25%. So we can say that this sugar solution is 25% mass by mass. Next term is volume percentage. Volume percentage. So volume percentage, how volume percentage can be defined? It is percentage volume by volume can be defined as volume of solute divided by total volume of solution, multiplied by 100. Or we can write in the form of formula, volume of solute divided by volume of solution multiplied by 100. Now we'll solve some question based on this percentage volume by volume. First question is calculate percentage volume by volume of a solution prepared by dissolving prepared by dissolving 25 ml ethanol into 175 ml water. To solve this question, we'll use the formula. Formula is percentage volume by volume will be volume of solute, that is 25 ml, V solute divided by V solution, and then multiplied by 100, and this will be equal to 25 ml divided by volume of solution is 175 ml plus 25 ml. 175 ml is volume of solvent and 25 ml is volume of solute. So total will become 200 multiplied by here 100. So if we solve this, then we'll get 25 by 200 into 100. This 0 will cancel out and this will be 12.5 ml. So percentage V by V, volume by volume, percentage V by V for this solution will be 12.5%. This will be the answer, 12.5%. Next is mass by volume percentage. Mass by volume percentage. Mass by volume percentage, that is percentage W upon V will be equal to mass of solute divided by volume of solution, total volume of solution. We can write total volume of solution and then multiplied by 100. So if we convert this in the form of formula, then percentage V by V will be equal to W, mass of solute, divided by volume of solution V, volume of solution V, and then multiplied by 100. Now we'll solve some question based on this concept. Calculate percentage weight by volume of a solution prepared by dissolving prepared by dissolving 58.5 we can say 20 gram glucose, 20 gram glucose in 100 ml water. Now we'll apply the concept, that is percentage weight by volume will be equal to mass of solute divided by volume of solution and multiplied by 100, and this will be equal to mass of solute is 20 gram, volume of solution is 100 ml, and then multiplied by 100. 100 cancel out, so it will be 20% mass by volume, 20% gram by ml, or we can write 20% mass upon volume. So this is how we define strength of any solution in terms of percentage. In the next video, we'll discuss some other terms related to strength of solution.